Hello and welcome to Maths with Mr. Holmes. What will you learn today? Let me tell you, it's Finding Factors, Part 1, Factor Pairs. So the question that you'll be asking, what are factors? Factors are numbers we can multiply together to get another number. They divide equally into a number. For example, 3 and 4 are factors of 12 because 3 times 4 equals 12. These are known as factor pairs. Let's have a question then. What are the factors of 12? So first of all, we'll have a look at the number. The number we have is 12. Now we need to find our factor pairs. So when we're finding factors, it's really handy to be systematic. Start with a low number and work gradually up. So the first thing that we're going to have a look at is 1 and itself. So the number is 12. So that would be 1 times 12, which would equal 12. So they're our first factor pair. Every number has a factor of 1 in itself. Next, we'll go up to number 2. Now 12 is even, and every even number has a factor of 2. So 2 times 6 equals 12. And we know because it's half of 12 as well. Next, after 2, we'll go to 3. So 3 times 4 would equal 12. If you're not sure of your times tables, you could count up in that number. So 3, 6, 9, 12. 4 lots of 3. We'll then stop when the numbers repeat. So after 3, we'll go to 4 times... Oh, but wait, we've already done times by 4. So we're going to stop there. Our final part, we're going to check using an array. So that's when we have 12 counters, and we'll arrange them into 1 row of 12, 2 rows of 6, 3 rows of 4. They look a little bit like this. So there you go. What are the factors of 12? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and itself 12. Let's have a look at another question. This time, we'll have a look at what the factors of 15. So our number is 15, and let's find our factor pairs. This time, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to show the factors of a number by using a factor bug. Something like this. We'll start off in the same way, being systematic, starting with 1 and itself. The number is 15. Because 1 times 15 equals 15. Next, we'll try 2. But hold on, 15 is odd, so 2 is not going to fit in to 15 an equal amount of times. It will leave a leftover amount or a remainder. So we'll get rid of 2. Next we'll try 3. Again, you can use your times tables if you're not sure. Count up in threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Yep, 5 lots of 3. We'll go for 4. But using our knowledge, 4 is even, so 15 is not going to be in the 4 times table. 4, 8, 12, 16. No. So we'll go on to our next number, which is 5. But hold on, we've already got 5. And so we need to stop when the numbers repeat. One final part then is we're going to check using an array. So we have 15 counters laid out here. So we'll check with 1 by 15. So we'll arrange our counters into one row of 15 counters. Quite a few counters, so I'm going to take just a little moment to arrange those. And there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we're happy that 1 and 15 are factors. And we also know that every number has a factor of 1 and itself. Next, we'll try 3 by 5. So 1, 2, 3. I'll arrange those neatly into 3 rows. And there you go, there's 1 row of 5, 2 rows of 5, 3 rows of 5. 3 times 5 equals 15. And there you have it, finding factor pairs of numbers. See you again soon for some more maths fun.